Hello YouTubers! This time I'm gonna do a video of me solving a Rubik's Cube while beatboxing. You may have already seen other videos like that by other people, and I actually kinda suck at beatboxing, but I'm just doing this video for the sake of having done a video which shows me solving a Rubik's Cube while beatboxing. So I've scrambled the cube according to a Cube Mania scramble, and yeah, let's just start. Well, it's 13.38 seconds, which really sucks, but well, who cares? It's been done while beatboxing, you know? So, well, that's it. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye.